Narayan Singh Chora, the man who opened fire inside the premises of the Golden Temple with an attempt to cause harm to Sukhbir Singh Badal, was at the Golden Temple premises a day before the attack on Sukhbir Badal. Now, the Punjab police sources are also revealing that Singh frequently visited the temple, possibly to conduct a recce. So now the recce angle becomes a part of the investigation. There are investigators who are also suspecting that he monitored the area for days before he decided to go ahead and carry out an alleged, an attempted assassination bid on Sukhbir Badal on the 4th. So we have another reaction coming in. Let's play that out. This is from the Akali Dal, where they go on to claim that this is nothing but a state-sponsored attempt at Sukhbir Badal's life.
Yesterday's attack was a state-sponsored attack. A person with a known history of terrorism was able to attack Sardar Sukhbir Singh Badal in full public view. He carried a sophisticated weapon. He was roaming there for 2 days. And after the whole incident, there was a statement from the police commissioner, and he tried to give a twist to this by saying that it may have been manipulated to get sympathy. Yeah. This is the professionalism of the police. I think that statement should be investigated. NIA chief, CBI chief, the High Court should monitor what forced the officer to give such a statement at such a sensitive time, even after this serious incident. Who compelled him? Who gave the orders him to that you must say? Those persons should be exposed. They are the real culprits.
Shocking there. The Shiromani Akali Dal now says that the fact that the Amritsar Commissioner Gurpreet Singh went on to make a sympathy claim even before the investigation made any kind of headway, that itself should be investigated, and they are calling for the NIA to probe the case. They want the High Court to come and take note. But Tejshri, you are also tracking all these leads that are coming in when it comes to the investigation. The CCTV footage now becomes extremely key. The recce angle is under investigation. But do tell us more about Narayan Singh Chora and how, like the Shiromani Akali Dal is asking, if there is a man with a known history of being a Khalistani sympathizer with cases of UAPA in the past, how is it possible that he was allowed to roam freely and carry out recce at the premises of the Golden Temple for the last 24 to 48 hours?
Well, Shiromani Akali, the leaders are repeatedly asking the same question so as to why, if the intelligence was provided that, Narayan Singh Chora, him being a former terrorist, and in fact, not just once, but earlier also he tried to attempt an attack on the Badal. So why this security measures were not taken at that particular point of time? And in fact, now what our sources are revealing that Narayan Singh Chora was not just spotted a day before in the Golden Temple in Amritsar, but also he was there for past continuous many days. And in fact, now police will be probing this particular angle as well, that why was he there? Was he there for a recce? Was he there to monitor that particular area? Was he there to see that where the security check-ins are and how he can escape the security check-in, how he can bring the gun inside, and what will be the actual spot where he will be attacking, or in fact will be trying to attack Sukhbir Singh Badal within the campus premises.
Okay.
So all these angles.
One clarification, Tejshri, for our viewers who are joining us, because there was a video, a CCTV footage that was also tweeted by Bikram Singh Majitia, which we just explained to our viewers. So that footage of Narayan Singh Chora inside the premises of the Golden Temple, is that from the day or when he tried to, that is yesterday, when he tried to carry out that assassination bid, or was it from a day earlier?
Well, as of now, what we are being told is that it is a day earlier. In fact, he was seen shaking hands with the SP Harpal Singh. That is what the Shiromani Akali, the leaders, are claiming. But again, it is the matter of investigation. As in, when the police will investigate the matter, the things will unfold, that how it happened, when it happened. And in fact, it is also possible that this entire video that we are seeing, in which he can be seen shaking his hands with SP Harpal Singh. So there is a possibility that that he could also be questioned. And in fact, on the other hand, we see that there is this big statement coming from Shiromani Akali Dal leader, Harpal Singh Chima, where he's Daljit Singh Chima, where he in fact he's asking to probe the or in fact to also investigate the statement that's been made by the commissioner himself to in fact
right.
that
So
this
the
has
Akali
been done
Dal is
entirely.
claiming collusion. The Akali Dal is also today hinting at conspiracy, especially after the cops are probing the sympathy angle. The flashpoint over what happened in Punjab inside the premises of the Golden Temple with regards to Sukhbir Singh Badal and Narayan Singh Chora becomes one of the top stories that we are tracking here on Times Now. Thank you so much, Tetri, for getting us all those details. We'll keep you ahead with all those investigative leads. Time now for us to take a short commercial break.